Hi guys, in this video we will see how to reinstall Windows 11 to fix various problems of your Windows 11 and 10 system. How to reinstall Windows to fix problems. To do so, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option recovery. Click on it. And here you will find fix problems without resetting your PC and fix problems using Windows Update. Reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. Click on reinstall now. A new blue screen window will appear. We will repair components and system files. Make the check against option automatically restart my PC 15 minutes after installation and click on OK. Please make sure your PC is on and connected to the network and a power source. After installation, we will let you know when it's time to restart your PC to complete the repair. Finally, click on OK and follow on screen instruction to complete the reinstallation of your Windows 11 system. That's all.